If you're one of the many people that prefer easy snacks after a long day, here's an insane cooking hack to look into. To create your own, you need marshmallows, Hershey chocolate bars, and Keebler graham cracker ready pie crust. Remove the pie crust and add a handful of chocolate bars on the bottom and top with marshmallows. Make sure to completely cover the chocolate. Add your pies to the oven and bake at 350 degrees for 8 to 13 minutes. You will know that they're ready when the marshmallows have a slight burn on top. These are sure to be a hit at your holiday party. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.